Today we're going to be making the Miniatures by Princess picnic table. As you can see, you're going to put double-sided tape vertically across the slats at the top, the horizontal slats, and that way you can adhere your tabletop to it. Now keep in mind that you're looking at the underside of your tabletop right here, so if there's any flaws or other things in the wood that you're not particularly loving, then make sure they're facing up like that. And then you're going to glue your tabletop supports in place and make sure that there is glue on the entirety of those supports so that they catch all of the table slats. And then on your double-sided tape on this template, you're going to put those two pieces. They are the leg supports, and then you add your legs just according to the template by adding glue in the little spots. And the next step is let those dry. Then after they dry, then you're going to take each leg and put a little bit of glue on the top of the leg and also on the table where you see the table support. You're going to glue it right there to the edge of the table support. Just like that. Do that for both sides and let that dry as always before going on to the next step. And then you can also make sure that's supported while it's drying. Next step, turn it over and you're going to glue on your bench seats. So I just put a little glue on the bench support and then add here 2 slats to each side, just so, and make sure they're even with the tabletops. They're the exact same size slats. And do that to the other side, just so. And there you have it, all done with the Miniatures by Princess picnic table. As always, please follow me on all your socials and have a great day.